In this video, I'm going to show you how to customize dynamic island on Samsung Galaxy A16. Let's open the dynamic island. Go in position. Here you can see dynamic island is showing but not at the right position. To customize it, simply scroll down. I will simply customize the position vertical. As we can see, now dynamic island is on the right place. Here are some other settings also. You can customize it according to your screen. And here is reset option. Here is edge rounding. For example, if you want edge rounding more, you can simply tap on increase. As you can see, edge rounding is increasing. If you want to decrease the edge rounding, then simply tap on this icon. As you can see, I have decreased the edge rounding. Now here you can see maximum pop-up width. You can simply decrease this. It will show when notification will come. Now I will simply go back. Go in appearance. Here you get the some appearance option. For example, if you want to show as notch, then simply enable this option. If you scroll down more, here you can see all of these options are locked because this is free application. So these options will be unlocked in the premium application. Scroll down more. Here you get the default color black. If you want to change the color, simply tap on default color. For example, I am selecting this one. Now let's check it out. Here you can see the orange color. So this is how you can customize dynamic island on Samsung Galaxy A16. If this video helps you, like this video and subscribe the channel